Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, we're taking a look at a brand new controller designed for the latest generation of Volkswagen vehicles. This device lets you manage and customize all those system alerts that can get pretty annoying over time. We're talking about things like the start-stop system, lane assist, speed warnings, seatbelt alerts, and even driving modes like comfort, sport, individual, and more. Now, normally, you can turn these settings off through your car's control menu. But the problem is, every time you turn off the engine and start the car again, everything resets back to default. All those alerts come back on. So, here's the solution. This device comes with original plug connectors and is super easy to install. You just need to access the system module located above the driver's footwell. Look for the connector with the purple marking, unplug it, and connect it to our device like this. The car's original connector goes into the wider socket on the device, and then the device plugs back into the car's system. That's it. As soon as you connect it, the device activates automatically. Now let's test it. We'll turn off all the unwanted features and go for a drive. As you can see, there are no more speed warning alerts. Lane assist is off, and the auto start-stop system is disabled as well. Let's turn off the car for a few seconds and start it again. And as you can see, everything stays exactly the way we left it. The system remembers your settings and doesn't reset anymore. That's it. With this simple and effective device, you can finally get rid of those annoying system alerts and enjoy a much smoother driving experience. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.